Hey you guys, it's Kris, and today I'm going to be showing you how my puff looks after my recent haircut. So of course, first you want to go in with some water just to, make your hair a little bit more manageable, and then shake it out. We're going to go in with the pick. This is the most important part. You want to pick your hair as high as you can get it, especially if your hair is shorter. This is how you get your height and your volume. So keep picking until you get it as big as you want. And as you can see, I'm still picking. I'm telling y'all, a pick is a curly girl's best friend. So now we're going in with a leave-in. This one is from Thank God It's Natural, and it smells pretty good. So I'm just going to take this to the middle section, the crown area, since that's the driest part of my hair, just to get a little bit more moisture back in that section. And then I'm going to finger curl or coil some of those pieces to get some definition. Okay, so I'm going to take a tiny bit of gel. This is the Wetline Extreme, and just put that along the perimeter, the edges of the hair. That way when we get ready to brush, it can be nice and sleek. So just take your gel, distribute it around your edges, and then go in with your brush. The type of brush I like to use is a boar bristle brush. The bristles are kind of hard, but I like that because that gets, the edges nice and sleek. So now I'm going to take a headband. Mine is very old, but that's perfect because it's really stretchy, and that way I can wrap it around twice. So the older, the stretchier, the better. And then I just pull that up to my forehead and pull it up slowly, especially now that my hair is shorter in the back. Try to pull it up slowly, that way my shorter pieces in the back don't fall out. So just pull up the headband as high as you would like it, and then you're pretty much done. So now I'm going to go in and do something to my baby hairs. You don't have to do this, but I prefer to. I just feel like it finishes the look. So I'm going in with the keracare moisturizing healthy edges. I actually really like this stuff. So I'm going in with that and my edge brush, and I'm just going to swoop my baby hairs. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The puff is popping. There's volume, there's definition, and I really love how my puff looks these days. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to hit 5K subscribers by the end of the new year. So I know we can do it. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.